So this is a universal washing machine motor. All the information you need is usually on the label. Tells you the spin rating, amperage rating, code numbers and things like that. So if you need to replace, check this label. So the most common problem obviously is the brushes. Here's the brushes. Just undo these screws. I've got a video of how to replace these. So you can take them off, measure the length of the carbon brushes and then replace if they need to be. The wheel speed, while we're here, might as well talk about that. It's the wheel speed, the rotor speed sensor. I've never really had one of them go, I don't think, but it could possibly go. So let's test that. So it's both red ones. So 45 ohms, that's a good reading. If it was open circuit or short circuit, I'd be worried. And obviously you got the windings. On this one it's green, brown. So I'm getting 2.5 and 1.4 and 1.4. So that test's alright. If you get an open loop or short circuits, I'll be worried. Then you got a thermal cutout for the motor, so you want to make sure that's making contact. Should be very low resistance like that. So that's fine. That's just a temperature cutout. So if it overheats, it will cut out. And obviously you've got the wires going to the brushes. Make sure that they're on there properly. I have seen them vibrate loose, so the machine cuts out. And then really lastly, the bearings. On this one, it's riveted together, so it's hard to change. You could drill them out, change the bearings, and re-bolt it together. You can test the rotors on these as well. Obviously the rotor's commutated. As you can see down there, you can see all the individual elements, the commutator bars. You have to test between one and the other all the way around. So 0.4, 0.5, they don't want to be too far out. So 0.4, 0.4. So you do that all the way around the motor. It'll take some time, but if you see any open circuits or short circuits or way out of resistance, way out of level resistance, like all should be close to 0.4, there's obviously something wrong with it. But that's it. That's all there is that can go wrong with a motor. Washing machine universal motor.